Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to talk about my trades for April 12th, 2012. I ended up I ended up plus six, yes, plus $6 by the end of the day. It was kind of a up and down day for me, but let's just go straight to the trades. So my first trade was in Apkt. I was just looking for strong stocks and trying to find try to buy pullbacks on it. Apkt is a kind of a 2-day play because of how it gapped up yesterday and was really strong. So chances of a continuation, maybe it will be. I woke up closer to 8, so I missed out on this pullback move and this little mini pullback. But I was able to get involved here, but I was stopped out because I was kind of tight with this. And then I noticed another pullback opportunity here, which I did get involved in, and I made the trade and took some profit off at the 20. And then I saw another opportunity to add on this pullback, but then I failed to take any sales up top. So that was kind of a bad move, especially when it was consolidating here. Eventually, I was stopped out of my entire position, but not before I added size down here for I don't know what reason, but that wasn't a good move. Next trade was in Sbux. Similar story, strong stock, looking to buy pullbacks. Again, similar story. It's a kind of a 2-day play because it was really strong yesterday. So I missed this one move, but I was able to get right here on this pullback and add again right here on this pullback. But my problem was I didn't take sales because I was expecting a lot more. So I should have at least tried to offer near the 40s, but didn't do that. So I saw this another pullback opportunity which I bought, but I was really tight with this lot, so I got stopped out on this red candle. But I noticed that this was another sort of pullback opportunity, so I ended up buying here. And again, didn't take the trade, which I should have just quick in, quick out. But eventually, I just let my entire position stop me out here. So this was the biggest loss that I had for today. Last trade was in Sina. Pretty strong stock today. Pretty nice pullback here, but I didn't get involved until later in the day when I noticed a 15-minute inside bar around right here. I took the long trigger entry, and on the tape I noticed that there was a lot of offers at the 65, and it was being taken and decremented real quick, so I decided to just pay, and it worked out nicely because after that, boom, it shot straight up. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to take any sales on the way up for 2 reasons. I was expecting it to go a lot further because it was trading rather nicely, but suddenly the bottom just fell out of it. And give you an idea how fast it fell, here's a 1-minute chart, just boom, boom, and then boom. I ended up selling some here just to get the heck out of it, and I moved my stop up to below this area for the rest. Then I sort of noticed that on the tape 35 was selling a lot, so as soon as 35 lifted, I added at 36, and this time I took some sales at 50, but I was kind of greedy because I was expecting this to continue to trend higher. But again, bottom fell out, and again the bottom fell out, and eventually I was stopped out for the rest of my position. One thing about Sina is I really like how it looks on the daily chart. If you see here, it was trading in a downward channel for almost a month, pretty much a month. So I was just always had my eye on this, just waiting for a break of this channel with significant volume, which we demonstrated here today. So I bought some to hold overnight. My stop is kind of wide, but it's below this inside day here. So we'll see how this goes. I will just make trades as we go along, but I'm kind of looking for maybe uh, quite a significant move. We'll see. FAS is another swing trade I have going. Pretty similar story. Been downtrending kind of hard, and yesterday had an inside day, and today was a break above it. And if you look at all the other financial stocks, you see a very similar pattern. Very similar pattern. Did just check that. JPM, same thing. Capital One, same thing. Citigroup, same thing. Bank of America, same thing. So I thought this was a good opportunity to get in, and another reason for this is because tomorrow morning there's going to be earnings for Wells Fargo and JP Morgan. Any positive news, it's going to send FAS and the entire financial sector higher. So instead of buying specifically JP Morgan call options or WFC call options, I went for FAS because I know that this is probably going to be the biggest bang for my buck. So we'll see how that plays out. Update on Ren. I told you I like the stock above 6, and it broke out nicely. Actually, the last 3 days, really nice volume on these move, and right now it's above this kind of a high in late January, so it's looking pretty good. We kind of look back further. You know, it may hit above this area, 750s. Who knows? But really like how the action has been lately. Well, that's it for all of my trades. But one thing I want to mention is I signed up for Trade Ideas, and also the Ameritrade robot trader. My plan is to kind of here's the kind of one of the alert filters that is supposed to mimic SMB radar. So kind of nice to see what stocks I should be in and things like that. They also have a in play meter. Oh, here it is. So it'll be interesting to see how this affects my trading. It's a lot cheaper than SMB radar too. SMB radar is about $250 a month, and the deal I got with Trade Ideas, because I'm an American Trade customer, is I think $45 a month. So not too bad. Save $200 a month. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, for tomorrow, I do have some stocks I want to focus on already. Let's look at the 30-minute. But Coinstar. So today they halted the stock because some of the earnings was leaked, or they did an early reporting. I don't know what happened, but as you can see, gapped up 7 points, 8 points. That's pretty insane. Even more if you want to count whatever happened up here. But it should be in play for tomorrow, and might offer some really good trading opportunities. Maybe maybe these can work as levels, right? So never know. Maybe kind of nice wedge here, but maybe I could play off these levels. Another stock I want to be in tomorrow is, of course, Wells Fargo, since they have earnings in the pre-market, and same with JP Morgan. Another stock that have earnings is Google, but I don't know if I want to get involved in this. Kind of some crazy erratic trading going on, even though they did shot up initially quite high, but kind of came back down. Might be a good opportunity here. Maybe close to 651, I guess. Lots of little wicks down there. So maybe we'll put down the maybe. I'm not sure yet, but it's quite a high price stock. So there you have it. My trade review, my swing trade review, some information about the little things I'm working on the side, and also my game plan for tomorrow morning. That pretty much covers a lot of my routine that I want to keep track of or keep up with. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.